Hey, welcome to UseMyStats. So we thought we'd give you a quick tutorial here, less than 2 minutes, guarantee it, to get you up and running so you know what you're doing, and then you can go from there. Take it, do what you want with it. Sample company, here we go. Just signing up for a new company so you can see how this all works. So once you get started, pop up a little tutorial help thing here. It says you're going to start with a statistic. So we put in a sample, but for this one, we'll create another one. If you have a bunch of statistics in Excel already, feel free to upload them using the upload stats option here, and that'll get you going. So first click create a stat here, and we're just going to do this, sample stat number 1, and we'll make this a weekly stat, and it should probably have 2 decimal places. Let's say it's a money stat. Just put money there to make it really clear. And this, you can put a $sign before the number if you want to. There's a bunch of other settings you can do down here. If you get curious about them, go ahead and check them out. But for simplicity's sake, we'll just start. There we go. And now we need to enter some values so that there's something to graph, because the stat without any values is pretty much useless. So we'll just start here. We'll say this is, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 9. And we'll save and graph this stat. There's our next little thing. And it's going to show you there are some other options once you got through all that. Good, we've got that. And here's our graph. And there's a bunch of different options on the right side to help you change the graph. If you want all of those explained, every page has a little tour down here. And that's how you get started in a nutshell.